Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published 2 days ago on August 5, 2026, reveals that this paper shows that early joint training lets text models boost image learning. The paper belongs to the Combining Text and Image AI research subfield. Researchers explore how reading text, understanding images, and drawing pictures interact inside one unified artificial intelligence system from the very beginning. The core problem is that adding visuals late makes models lazy. Training text models first and adding pictures later hardens the network, making it pay less attention to images and missing critical visual details. The paper's main finding is that early training builds strong visual AI. Combining text and visuals from the start lets language boost image skills, producing detailed pictures while using only 5% of the visual budget. Figure 1 demonstrates how scaling up language data boosts both visual understanding and visual generation. In the top row, increasing the language ratio from 0 to 80% steadily improves accuracy across all understanding tasks, especially for text and chart reading. In the bottom row, more language data consistently raises image quality scores and lowers diffusion loss, which measures image generation error. This steady improvement shows that language pre-training acts as a universal booster for visual learning. Figure 2 illustrates the impact of scaling visual understanding data when training the model. On the left, adding more visual understanding tokens slightly hurts language performance, causing accuracy to drop and language perplexity to rise, where perplexity measures model prediction uncertainty. However, the 4 graphs on the right show that visual understanding strongly boosts visual generation, steadily driving up generation quality scores while reducing diffusion loss. Figure 9 demonstrates how different architectural choices affect cross-modal performance. In standard dense models, fully shared parameters force modality competition, which degrades performance across both language and visual generation. Conversely, separating only the feed-forward networks, which are key processing layers that transform token features, yields the best results. In both plots, this split feed-forward setup reduces language perplexity by 0.21 and lowers visual diffusion loss, successfully eliminating competition while retaining shared attention. Figure 11 demonstrates how delaying visual integration severely harms overall multimodal performance. In these plots, the horizontal axis tracks the number of pure language tokens processed before introducing visual data. The 2 orange graphs on the left show that longer initial text training slightly improves language metrics. However, the green and blue graphs reveal that delaying visual training triggers a sharp drop across visual understanding and generation, proving that early unification is essential. Table 1 highlights how tuning data mixing ratios optimizes overall multimodal capabilities through a grid search, which is a systematic test of parameter combinations. Moving down through the sweeps, language requires the largest token share to maintain core reasoning performance, while visual generation needs surprisingly little data. In the final sweep at the bottom, allocating 70% to language, 25% to visual understanding, and just 5% to visual generation achieves the best overall balance. Table 2 validates these core design choices at scale by comparing the full model against 3 controlled baselines across 2 trillion tokens. The bottom row highlights the full configuration, combining early unification, mixture of experts, and the asymmetric data recipe. It achieves leading performance with 54% language accuracy and 43% in visual understanding. Furthermore, its image generation benchmarks, including a general eval score of 0.482, surpass all baselines. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Early unification prevents models from relying purely on text priors, while split feed-forward architectures and asymmetric data recipes deliver strong visual capabilities at a fraction of the compute cost. That wraps up this look at multimodal pre-training. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.